Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I am going to do a cabin tour. So, as you may or may not know, I do work on a ship. This is my second contract. My first contract was in the Mediterranean, and you've probably seen a few of my videos from there. Now I am in the Caribbean, baby. So I'm going to be taking lots of videos from the different Caribbean islands. I've also got some videos, my videos have been all over the place from when I was a passenger on a cruise ship, and shared some videos there. But now we're going to get into the Caribbean season of me working on a cruise ship. To start it off, cabin tour. So let's start from the top. Let's start from the door. I'm pretty lucky that I've got a mirror on my door. Not many people do, and my previous cabin definitely didn't. But here we go, a mirror. And so I've got a couple of hooks. I've put my hats on there. I've also got, so one of my friends was on my first contract and she doesn't work on ships anymore. She bought a little faux plant. So she definitely would have bought that whilst on contract rather than taking it in the suitcase, because that is heavy. On our ships we are not allowed any real life plants, so any greenery that you see is faux. This is actually a magnetic little shelf. I've got a fake candle as well, because you're not allowed real candles on the ship either. As you can imagine, that is a massive fire hazard. So yeah, I bought this from Amazon. The walls everywhere are magnetic because we are living in a ship, a metal ship. So yeah, there we go. Pretty strong magnet, that one, considering that is really heavy and that stays in. I like it. This is my wardrobe. I've got quite a big wardrobe here. This side, I have to close it with this because it won't close, but we have another mirror. These are all my dresses and it goes right back, which is really, really good. Another thing, I am lucky because of my job role. I have my own cabin, whereas a lot of job roles you have to share with another person. So I think what I've bought is mainly for people sharing a cabin because of the lack of space, because I've got this all to myself. But then if you don't, you can use space saving things like these. I have got shelves here, so I've opened the other wardrobe door now. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves and 3 drawers at the bottom. I'll show you the drawers. Okay, then this takes me onto my second wardrobe, which I feel really lucky to have a second wardrobe, because in my last cabin I definitely didn't have a second wardrobe, and some people who are sharing don't even get a second wardrobe. So the fact that I've got 2 to myself, I feel very lucky for. It's just, yeah, I've actually got more space than clothes this time. Last time I had the complete opposite, because I bought way too much with me, when in fact you just kind of wear the same kind of thing every day. Blazers are an absolute must, guys, by the way. And then I've also got more toiletries in here. As I mentioned earlier, we've got a fridge, and in my fridge is just basically water, Fanta, coconut milk, and more water. And then every cabin gets a TV. There's channels so you can see like camera on the pool deck, camera on the bridge. There's some crew film channels. There's, yeah, just a mixture, but there's some news channels as well. not like normal TV, obviously, because we're most of the time in the middle of the ocean and in different countries. So I do a lot of computer work. This is my desk. So let me go through my desk with you. Okay, so phone. Everyone has to have a phone just in case of emergencies, but also you have to be contactable. It's actually a really good phone. I can see who's ringing and stuff now. They've updated the phones recently, so that's really lush. I've got my calendar that I got for a Secret Santa, from Secret Santa, of my Tigaloo. Oops. This is a cute little mirror. Whoa, that's big, because I sit here and do my makeup, which I keep in here. Which I love. I bought this when I was in Mallorca. And this, obviously this isn't actually marble, but this is actually like a kind of wallpaper sticker that I got online, and I just thought I'd bring it with me. Commitment to the cause. I brought it with me in my case. Yeah, just looks a bit fancier, I think. Looks cute. And got this sticker, if not now, when. So I really like that. And I also got this sticker. As you can tell, I'm all about the cheesy quotes. So our ship has got these plugs, so European plugs. So definitely check, or if you can, what kind of adapter you need. So I've got the European adapter for that. And then I have these drawers. So I've got like 4 drawers. I've basically just got like admin in and stuff. Whenever you want to put anything on the walls, you can just use a magnet. I will link down below these magnets because they are very strong and very good, and so small as well. So these magnets here, these magnets are like hook magnets, and they are so strong. I really recommend them, so I will link them down below as well. These mirrors are little stickers. I need to take all of the things off. They're really cute actually. I've put some here and some on this front of the wardrobe door here. And then I've got some little cabinet shelves here, which I think are really cute. So fairy lights. Fairy lights are literally a crew member's best friend. It's the biggest way we jazz up our cabins. Got this from Sorrento on last contract. Always good to have good smellies in your cabin, because with the aircon here, only got mine on medium, but if it blows out too much, you never know what your cabin can smell of. Okay, then this takes us to my pièce de résistance, is my porthole. Is literally my favourite thing about the whole cabin. I absolutely love it. Every single day you wake up in a different place, have a different view out the window. Today we've got a beautiful view. Sometimes if we are docked on this side, then it's a little bit awkward because passengers get out onto my just here. So what I do is I've got a hook there and a hook there, and I just put a towel up because I don't actually have a curtain. You are meant to, but what I've got instead is some fairy light curtains. So when I originally ordered them, I didn't actually realise they were called like curtain things, but they look really cute. In the day, not so much, which is why I kind of keep them pushed that side, but in the night I will enter a little clip here. And we're back in the day. So you guys have probably all heard of a scratch map. So I thought, why not? If I'm literally sailing, well, currently sailing around the Caribbean, why not have a map to see where we're going? I've got all the Caribbean islands scratched off here, but they are quite close, so I can't really see where we're going too much. But we did do the transatlantic crossing, which was when I got on the ship. I got on at Cadiz, went to Malaga, went down to Cape Verde, and then sailed the transatlantic to the Caribbean, where we are for the next few months, which is really cool. Okay, and as you have probably caught in the background of my shots, I do have a bunk bed. Most of the cabins are bunk beds, so that they can fit at least 2 people in. Some people do have double beds. They're very lucky if they've got a double bed. But do you know what? I'm happy with my bunk bed. It's so cozy and comfy, and I don't have anyone sleeping up there. You can probably see some of my pictures. It is very much like uni, even though I left uni years ago now, but it's quite cute because your room it can be very basic if you don't actually put anything up. Shower room at the absolute most. So I've got some hooks here, got all my toiletries and stuff in there. And then shower. Not really much to see here. Quite small, but does the job. I watched some videos before I came on my first ship, and I did make sure that I had a shower head filter. So it's like £15 from Amazon. I will link one down below, and it just means that the water is getting filtered, because so many people feel that they kind of lose a bit of hair. It just makes the hair all funny, because it's just water, the kind of water we're not really used to. So make sure you do get a shower head, a filtered one, so that's what that is. Oh, and I do recommend bringing a laundry bag, so I just ordered this online as well. Big tip as well is bring some blankets. I've got my blanket from home here, and it is so good when you just don't want to, like, just in the day, if you ever get in for a little nap, which I don't really nap to be fair, but just lying in bed, always lovely to have your own blankets. Feels more homely and relaxing, definitely. Right guys, I think that's the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching, really appreciate it. If you do want to ask any questions, please do comment below. Subscribe if you can, it would help me massively, and I'd so appreciate it. Do give it a thumbs up, turn the notification bell on, and expect lots more cruise ship / Caribbean content coming your way. And then I'm going somewhere very exciting, so stay tuned. But I will see you next week. Ciao for now.